this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Brazil. Just looking to see how many minutes. I think this is 3 minutes. Yes. This is Nissin Miojo Turma da Monica, or Monica, or Monica. I don't know. But this is Sabor, Galinha, Suave. I don't know how to pronounce anything in Portuguese, so I immediately try to say it in Spanish in some way. But I know that that's not exactly the right thing to do. I apologize. This I got locally. So if you're a fan of the show and you live in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, I can tell you where to get Brazilian instant noodles. No joke. That's amazing. That's freaking... Yeah, never would have expected it. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, boom. So let's get started. The noodles are in the water. So, where does one get Brazilian instant noodles in Washington State? I'll tell you. There's a store in Kirkland. They have, what do you call it? They're like a coffee shop. And then they also have acai smoothies. They have Brazilian baked goods. And they have a little mini little store. They have frozen items, fresh items like pastas, grains. It's like a little tiny little store, and it's only Brazilian stuff. And it's called Kitanda, Kitanda. It's over in Kirkland. So it's really not far if you live in the Metro Seattle area. And I recommend it if you really want to try Brazilian instant noodles. The varieties they have, they've got this Galinha, and the Galinha is just kind of like an oilier chicken, I guess. That's what's been told to me is what it really is. They had Nissin Ramen Picanha, which is like a special meat one. They have... Oh, what's the other one? They've got a tomato one, and they had another one. I can't remember what it is, what the name of it is, but I think it's like bean. I honestly think it's like bean flavor, like pasta fagioli, bean soup. I think it's kind of like that, fagioli or whatever you call it. But even though that's Italian, so I don't know. But of course, those Italy and Spain and Portugal, they're kind of in that. I don't know. They all influence each other with their foods. Everybody likes to eat, so I know I do. Hey, but yeah, these come with one sachet. But yeah. They had a lot of people in there. That looked like a happening little joint over there in Kirkland. And the 500 review 4,500, which I don't know what episode it's going to be on here. It should be 8 out from this one, and it'll be another Brazilian one. And the reason I know about that Brazilian joint is because I need to find something from there to use for that review. It's called Beijinho. It's just hard not to call it vagino, but it's like vagino, or I don't know. I really feel weird when I can't pronounce things correctly. And what's worse is if I think I'm pronouncing something correctly and I'm totally butchering it. I've been told that before. But it's good to, I'd rather know that I'm saying something wrong and be able to correct it rather than the opposite. And there's people who don't give a crap, like when that whole Gangnam Style song was popular and the people on the news would constantly call it Gangnam Style. It's just like, haven't you heard the tune? How could you not have? Does he say Gangnam Style? Oppa Gangnam Style. No. Yeah, everybody try to do a little dance and all that stuff. Here's what we got. I mean, it's a little sachet. It's a noodle. The noodles seemed a little bit thinner. Very tight woven noodle block. But they've hydrated to be as thick as one would expect from a standard instant. And this one has like a kid's cartoon on the front of it. So, but they had them at that store. So here we are. Cheers. Light gumminess, kind of a little bit of a extra flavor in that noodle. I like how the backbone's working on that. It's got a little more chew. Here's the broth. I don't know. I just realized, folks, that the Rotato has been rotating. And that's not necessary. You don't need to rotate Rotato. Not at the moment. Oh. I've got my earpiece in. Why? But it... Okay. We have a noodle. And we have some chicken. You're probably thinking like, didn't you already see that dang chicken in your last video? I'll be like, yeah, you probably did. But what do you do? I try to waste not. Okay, what am I doing with this one? I don't want to use an egg on this one. I think I just want to use some spring onion. Uh-oh. She's coming to attack. I'm glad. Alright, my wife is coming home. Everything worked out just right. I wanted to get everything done before she came home, so I wouldn't be in here making noise and doing stuff. So I could come or she could come home and we could hang and do. And now it is time to rotate with Rotato, right? About, no. Alright, well that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you'll see some more of these tomorrow, I'm sure. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good... I did. I had turned you off, but now it's time to go. Thanks for watching. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.